Shivapriya.
Shivapriya, we are taking a survey on myth and fact about periods. So I just want to ask 2 or 3 questions to you. Is that okay with you?
Completely fine.
This is a survey regarding menstrual cycle and all the sequences that how it goes for the women. So we are just asking for awareness कि आपको पता है कि नहीं.
Praditi, my name is Aman Thakur.
So I'm going to ask you a few questions related to periods. Is it fine? Yeah. So the first question for you is, what are the period products except sanitary pads?
We're not very sure about the products. I think there's a thing called cup, which is not very prevalent in India. I think it's more towards the European or the Western world.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's very common in India.
Products?
Yeah.
I guess tampon.
And?
There's a tampon. They use there's a menstrual cup. If I correctly remember these.
Yes,
right now. There's 3 products that are mostly used, and one is cup. You guess it right, the pads, and a tampon.
So, what is the full form of PCOS?
I am not sure.
At least try.
PCOS.
This term PCOS and PCOD I've heard, but I'm not very sure.
I am not aware.
I think it's something related to cyst, but I don't know the entire abbreviation. You can try it. Cystic ovary syndrome.
Yeah, you're really close. It's polycystic ovary syndrome.
Which season is better to have periods, winter or summers?
Okay, interesting question. I think it has both benefits and pros and cons of having periods in both the seasons. In summer seasons, you will be more annoyed and frustrated if you have the periods because the mood swings can be, take a hit if it's a summer season. But in winter season, it's like, it's cold, you don't want to, be hygienic at that point. Too extreme hygienic situation can't be taken care of. So there are pros and cons, but I would prefer being summer, I guess. Because even though I can get annoyed and frustrated, but hygienic wise, it would be better to have it in summer.
Second question, you have to tell whether it is a myth or a fact. You can't go swimming when you have your periods.
I mean, wait a minute. Like, is it a biological fact or like some social norm?
This is just a myth.
I think it's a myth.
It is a myth.
Okay, yes, they can go, but they cannot wear the pad. They're supposed to wear a cup or a tampon. Hindi में periods को क्या बोलते हैं?
Oh my god, I remembered it. I guess मैंने अपने घर में मम्मियों से जो सुना है वो डेट कहते हैं.
हिंदी में?
हिंदी में तो मैं तो देखो यही सुना है. I cannot recall right now, I'm sorry.
Bhavati? Yes, you correct.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so hi, welcome to the Swayam Show, guys. And today we have Ms. Harshita Malu with us, a founder of a homegrown sanitary napkin brand called Saves 3. How are you, ma'am?
Good. What about you?
I'm good as well. Okay, so for viewers, मैं चाहता हूँ आप थोड़ा एक बता दें कि आपका ब्रांड करता क्या है and what Saves 3 actually is.
So Saves 3 offers high quality women hygiene products. Our motto is to bring happiness and comfort in a little box for all the women. So basically, we are constantly improving our products so that it is, more kinder for our bodies and for the planet.
Okay. So first question of mine would be that एक Indian society जहाँ पे sanitary napkins और pads एक इतना बड़ा taboo है कि लोग इसको टच करने से भी डरते हैं कि हमें कुछ इन्फेक्शन ना हो जाए और या कोई भी एक आप ऐसा कोई मिथ उठा सकते हैं. So आपका इस पे क्या टेक है and what was your inspiration to start a brand like this in India?
Okay. So I don't think ये सिर्फ इंडिया की प्रॉब्लम है. It's a global problem. और आज नहीं, ये हमेशा से ही चलता आया है. I remember as a kid, I belong from a small town in Rajasthan named as Sadar शहर. तो जब मैं छोटी थी वहाँ जाती थी तो when I got my periods, तो मैं मॉम को बोलती थी कि मॉम लेके आते हैं. तो आई वॉज अ वेरी क्यूरियस किड. मुझे हमेशा हर चीज़ जाके देख के लेनी होती है. यूजुअली मॉम्स खुद ले आती है बट मैं साथ जाती थी मम्मा के. तो आई रिमेंबर वो लोग जो पैकिंग करते थे हमारे पैड्स की, पहले वो पैड्स निकालते थे, एक न्यूज़पेपर में रैप करते थे एंड दैट वाज नॉट इनफ. उसके बाद एक ब्लैक पॉलिथीन निकालते थे, उसके अंदर डालते थे, पूरा अच्छे से टाइटली रैप करते थे. एंड मुझे लगता था ये सिर्फ गाँव में होता है. मुझे इट वॉज फनी बिकॉज मेरे घर में इट वॉज ओके कि हाँ ठीक है पड़े हैं बाथरूम में, यस एग्जैक्टली, तो घर पे पड़े हुए हैं, बट मैं बाकियों को देखती थी एंड जब हम लेके भी जा रहे होते थे तो ऑल दीज माई एज गाइज या बड़े लड़के लोग वो भी ऐसे देखते थे उस काली थैली को, दे न्यू कि इसमें क्या है, तो अचानक से दे मेड अ डिस्टेंस एंड ये बहुत लोगों ने फेस किया है, नॉट जस्ट मी, माई फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो दे हैव फेस दिस। देन दिल्ली में हम देखते हैं, दिल्ली में भी आज भी सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स कभी भी आप सामने कॉन्डम्स देख सकते हैं पड़े हुए होंगे, बट सैनिटरी नैपकिन कहीं स्टोर में पीछे जाके पड़े होते हैं,
छुपे हुए रखते हैं।
यस ऑलवेज। आज खरीदने में तो वी आर ओके, बट वो अभी भी उसी तरीके से उसकी पैकेजिंग चल रही है, डिस्पाइट इतने स्टीरियोटाइप्स ब्रेक कर दिए, सब कुछ कर लिया। ये तो पैकेजिंग की मैं आपको टैबूज बता रही हूँ। गाइस, मैं अभी रिसेंटली वी डिड अ स्टॉल एट सम फेस्टिवल एंड आई रिमेंबर जब मैं फ्री सैम्पल्स बांट रही थी तो लड़कियां भी दूर हो रही थी, मतलब लड़के तो शर्मा ही रहे हैं, लड़कियां भी ओपनली उसको फ्री सैम्पल को लेने के लिए तैयार ही नहीं है, तो विच वॉज वेरी फनी, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था अब तो हम दिल्ली में रहते हैं, अब तो इतने बड़े हो गए, अब तो इतने सारे ब्रांड्स आ चुके हैं, या एग्जैक्टली, अब तो हम आराम से फॉलो करते हैं, पीरियड मीम्स शेयर करते हैं, वी आर लाफिंग, तो मुझे लगा अब तो ये सब जा चुका है, बट दैट इज आई डोंट बिलीव इज द केस। Mentally we still have that taboo, and this is the first reason why I really wanted to start Safe3, कि मुझे ये taboo stereotypes I just couldn't stand there, मुझे एक difference लाना था उस चीज़ में कि हाँ। Second was to make sure that good quality menstrual products are available and accessible to all the areas. Rural पे अभी हम उतना नहीं पहुँच पाए हैं, but we want to cover all the areas, at least India, कि हम हर जगह accessible कर पाए high quality products. And I believe that Safe3, it's not just a brand, it's a commitment to empower women and to make sure that we change our societal perceptions about menstrual health.
Perfect. Okay, so moving further, ma'am, how do you address issues related to affordability and accessibility of sanitary napkins in the rural areas?
So Safe3 employs a multifaceted approach that is tailored to the rural areas in India. We prioritize affordability by giving out our products at competitive prices without compromising the quality of our products. And additionally, we partner up with the local distributors, community organizations to make sure that everybody has the access to our products. And through these efforts, Safe3 is committed to ensure that there is a widespread access of all the products and the people in rural areas have the same opportunities as we have in the urban areas. Yeah.
Great. Okay, so next question, which I am very curious about to know, that what initiatives does Safe3 take as a sanitary napkin brand to promote menstrual health awareness and education as well?
So at Safe3, we are deeply committed to promote menstrual health awareness and education through a variety of initiatives. One of our key aspects is to conduct educational workshops and stalls where we give comprehensive information to the audience and customers about menstrual hygiene, reproductive health, and the importance of using safe menstrual products.
Great. And how do you cater the audience on social media?
So we leverage our digital platforms and social media to spark conversations about menstrual health. We do a lot of interactive webinars, campaigns, and challenges, and we try to strike conversations about menstrual health and break taboos.
Perfect. That's very great. And what about collaborations? Do you collaborate as well with others?
Yeah, we do try to collaborate with local NGOs and healthcare providers so that our products are accessible to all. And it is very important that our products are accessible in rural areas as well.
All the areas are.
Yes. So overall, I believe Safe3 is dedicated to foster a positive change that allows people to have open dialogue about menstruation and to have a free access to all the resources, and mostly empowering individuals with the knowledge that they can manage their menstrual health with full confidence and safety.
Great. Okay, so moving on. As we know in businesses, consumer is our king. So how does Safe3 make connection with their consumers and gather feedback as well?
At Safe3, we believe in the power of personal connection. We actively engage with our customers through various channels like social media, events, customer feedback channels, website, feedback boxes, to ensure that we are listening to their experiences and their feedbacks firsthand. And I personally believe that every interaction is an opportunity to learn and grow, making sure that we are meeting the needs of our community on daily basis.
Perfect. Okay, moving on. What ideals and principles do you follow to make your brand more sustainable and eco-friendly?
At SACE3, sustainability isn't just a goal, it's a way of life. We are super passionate about reducing our environmental footprints, and I am personally very committed to this cause because of my love for the nature. Our biodegradable disposable bags for the pads and our box packaging are just a few examples of how we integrate sustainability practices into our brand. So by prioritizing these practices, we are trying to create a better, greener future for the generations to come.
Great. Okay, moving further, I want to know that what were the challenges that you faced when you were building your brand and the brand was growing, and that too in an indirected society?
Okay. So establishing and growing SACE3 in a society where menstrual health has always been a taboo presented its fair share of challenges. So I'll share an experience with you.
That'd be great.
When I started my business, I remember, so we have a co-founder, Arpita Dirwal, and हम दोनों साथ में sanitary napkins, menstrual products की research करने जाते थे. तो हम कहीं भी जाते थे, let's say manufacturers के पास to talk about their products. So I remember I was never given the opportunity to come forward and ask questions. वो in fact बहुत बारी तो eye contact भी नहीं करते थे. So my partner is sitting here, I'm sitting here. The guy, the manufacturer, he'll be like just looking directly at this person.
A male-dominant society.
Yes. So it is a problem for me because I am proud to say that मैंने अपनी फैमिली में ये कभी फेस नहीं किया. जितनी फ्रीडम मेरे ब्रदर को मिली उतनी ही फ्रीडम मुझे मिली. सो इट वाज लाइक आई ओपनिंग फॉर मी कि हम कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं तो आई वाज नॉट ट्रीटेड इक्वली एज माई पार्टनर. इनफैक्ट जब हम कस्टमाइज पैड्स बात करते थे कि मी एज अ गर्ल ऑफकोर्स आई नो कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. वी वॉन्ट अ वाइडर बैक, वी नीड बेटर गम टू स्टिक आवर पैड्स. तो ये मेरे पार्टनर को ऑब्वियसली एक रिसर्च से पता है, बट मुझे एज एन एक्सपीरियंस पता है. तो जब मैं उन्हें समझाती थी वो तभी भी मेरे साथ आई कांटेक्ट नहीं करते थे. दे यूज्ड टू लुक एट हिम एंड टेल भाई साहब ये चीज़ ऐसा है, मुश्किल है. तो देन आई यूज्ड टू से अंकल आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, मैं बता पा रही हूँ, मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ, मुझे ही लेना है, मुझे ही लेना है. एंड वी आर हियर एज इक्वल पार्टनर्स. सो इस तरीके से जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आते रहे थ्रू आउट. एंड आई रिमेंबर हमने स्टॉल इंस्टॉल किया था एक कॉलेज में. वहाँ पे भी लड़कियाँ जैसे थी, तो मेरा पार्टनर खड़ा था तो उसने भी वो फेस किया, क्योंकि जब वो खड़ा था एंड वो पैड्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट सैंपल करने की कोशिश कर रहा था तो लड़कियाँ नहीं आ रही थी. तो जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन सिर्फ मेरी तरफ से नहीं है कि आई एम सेइंग सिर्फ लड़कियों के साथ हो रहा है, उसके साथ भी इक्वली हुआ कि अगर मेंस्ट्रुएशन है तो लड़के नहीं होंगे, और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है, बिजनेस है तो
लड़की नहीं होगी.
या सो इस तरीके के चैलेंजेस आते रहे थ्रू आउट. बट विथ ईच हर्डल वी न्यू दैट वी हैव टू बी सुपर कमिटेड एंड वी वर, एंड वी जस्ट स्टेड ट्रू टू आवर वैल्यूज, एंड थ्रू दैट वी वर एबल टू ब्रेक स्टीरियोटाइप्स. वी वर एबल टू स्पार्क कॉन्वर्जेशन, मीनिंगफुल ऑफ कोर्स. एंड मेंस्ट्रुअल हेल्थ हमने काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों को दी, अवेयरनेस करी, एंड वी आर स्टिल डूइंग दैट. एंड थ्रू दिस वी हैव एस्टैब्लिश्ड SACE3, a safe community for women to talk about menstrual health and hygiene.
And you've come a long way as well.
Yes, and we promote guys also to talk about it. Recently we did a boys challenge at the Grub Fest, and we try to do such challenges so that guys are also aware. Because लाइफ में सिर्फ लड़के या लड़कियां नहीं होती है. When we marry, when we are a family, हम सब साथ में ही होते हैं. I want कि हम डिनर टेबल्स पे भी मेंस्ट्रुअल हेल्थ की बात कर पाए. दिस इज आवर मोटो. कि इट शुड नॉट बी अ टैबू. कुछ गलती थोड़ी कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
तो this is our motto and we are able to conquer a lot of people and change their perceptions about these things.
Great. So as you saw earlier in the video that we interviewed some people and it was Vox Pop, and now I want to ask ma'am that as we see कि आज के time में sanitary napkins are wrapped in black polythene bags and newspapers as well. So future इससे better होगा. Are we progressing?
Absolutely. I think as society opens up more about periods, the need for the discreet packaging will decrease and it will be a sign of acceptance and progress. And it's truly inspiring to see how conversations about menstruation are evolving. And I hope that one day period products are purchased openly without any secrecy or stigma.
And hesitation.
Yes, definitely.
Great. Okay, so that was it for our interview, and I would like to thank Harshita ma'am for joining us today. And I feel really proud to see a woman entrepreneur like her promoting a homegrown brand that is of sanitary napkins. So it was glad meeting you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for having us.
Thank you.